Hello students, today we will discuss a question that came in the previous year accounts exam held by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. So the question that we have here is, write the meaning of accounting. This question carried 2 marks, but I will be explaining in depth so that we understand the whole concept of accounting. So before understanding, we will go by the definition first. The definition here is, accounting is a systematic process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting and communicating the financial results of a business or organization to the users of such information. It helps stakeholders understand the financial health, performance and position of the entity. So as the definition says, it is a process. Accounting is a process and it consists of certain activities, that is recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, analyzing and communicating the financial results to its users. So what happens in the recording? What do we do in accounting? Since it is a process, in the recording, that is the first step, we do journal entries. So suppose a business purchases goods. The first entry will be made in the journal entry or the journal books. So that is the first entry and it is recorded as journal entries. The next step here is, or the next step in the process is classifying. All the different kind of journal entries will be classified into different accounts or different ledgers, and that what we call is posting, ledger posting. So in the classifying stage we do ledger posting, and in the next stage we do summarizing. So how is summarizing done? Trial balances are prepared and profit and loss account is prepared and the balance sheet is prepared. That is, the financial statements are prepared in this stage, in the stage of summarizing. So trial balance and financial statements are prepared in the summarizing stage. And in the interpretation step, what is done? As the financial statements are prepared, the users or even the management interpret the results. Suppose certain kind of, suppose 10% profit has been earned by a company, and then the financial position is shown in the balance sheet. That result will be interpreted to the users. How it will be useful, that stage. So how it is interpreted, in certain kind of ratios are made, insolvency ratios and different kind of ratios. So this step, interpretation, is done by the management mostly. Again here, communicating. So interpreting and communicating is somehow the same. The financial results is communicated to the users of such information. So in case of users, there can be many. So the users can be the owners. If we talk about the users of such information, the users are the owners. The owners or investors, we can say, those who invest in the business, they will obviously want to know about the financial results of the business. Next will be the creditors. They are very much interested in the financial results of the business. The employees of the business. Then government for tax purposes. Even the customers. And then there are certain kind of NGOs or some other organization. They also become the users of information, that is users of accounting information. So when journal entries are made, ledger posting is done, trial balance and financial statements are prepared, all these information are then interpreted to these users. Next, again in here it is mentioned, see, it is often called the language of business. So accounting is the language of business. Just as we talk in any language like Hindi, English or Assamese, in case of accounting, or in case of a business, the language is accounting. So why so? Because a business is started to earn profit, and profit is what? A monetary value. So again, accounting is done in all monetary transactions. So we know or we call accounting as the language of business, because it translates business activities to understandable financial information to its users. So this was the concept of accounting.